How you can fix your add phone number not showing on Roblox. So if you're trying to add your phone number on your Roblox account but you're not able to find that option, let's walk right through it and see how you can do it. So first you open your Roblox and this will be your home page. Then you can navigate to your settings by clicking right there, and this will open up your settings. And once you have opened your settings, what you can do is go to account info, and this will open up everything that is in your account and all of your information about your account. Here you now it is not necessary for you to add phone number on Roblox, so they have removed that option. You just need your email verification and your age verification in order to play the games. So but if you still want to seek help, what you can do is go to their official website and contact their support team and write a short notice about how you can not add your phone number right now. That way the support team should be able to assist you with your problem, and they should contact you in a few days after you've sent the request. And that's how you can fix your add phone number option not showing on Roblox. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you on the next one.